Look up at the sky tonight. That one bright thing just hanging up there. Silent, glowing, completely unbothered. We've stared at it our whole lives and never once questioned it. But what if I told you that was a mistake? What if there was supposed to be two of them?
Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is where we take one simple question and pull the thread until reality starts to unravel. Today's question is this: what if Earth had not one, but two moons? Sounds like a fantasy. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the thing. Scientifically, it's not impossible. Some researchers actually believe Earth did have a second moon billions of years ago, and we lost it. So let's go there. Let's say right now, tonight, there are two moons in our sky. What changes? Everything.
Okay, first thing that breaks, the tides. Right now, our one moon is responsible for that gentle push and pull you see at beaches every single day. That's just gravity doing its thing. Now add a second moon. Two gravitational forces pulling at Earth's oceans from different directions, different strengths at different times. Some days, those two forces would perfectly line up, and the tides wouldn't just rise, they would surge. Coastal cities underwater for hours every single day. Not a flood, just Tuesday. Think about what that does to human history. Every civilization that ever built near water, gone. No ancient port cities, no Greek civilization, no Roman Empire. Because so much of early human progress happened along coastlines, along rivers, along the sea. The ocean itself would be unrecognizable. Storms more violent, currents completely different. And marine life, billions of years of evolution fine-tuned to these tides, would either become something we'd never recognize or simply not survive at all. Now here's where it gets beautiful and weird. Nights on Earth would be almost completely transformed. Right now, a full moon gives you just enough light to maybe see your hand in front of your face. With two full moons visible at the same time, you could read a book outside at midnight. No exaggeration. And here's a thought that messes with me. Would humans have even been afraid of the dark the same way? So much of early human psychology was shaped by the terror of nighttime. Predators, darkness, the unknown. That fear drove us to fire, to shelter, to community. But if your nights are regularly lit up by two glowing moons, maybe that fear never fully develops. Maybe the entire emotional wiring of early humans is different. And religion? Almost every ancient civilization worshipped the moon. The Egyptians, the Greeks, the Romans, the Aztecs. Now imagine two of them in the sky. Two gods, two mythologies built around two completely separate celestial bodies. History wouldn't just look different, it would be unrecognizable. Okay, this is the part where things get genuinely terrifying. Earth's axial tilt. Right now, Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees. That's what gives us seasons: summer, winter, spring, fall. And our moon is actually one of the things keeping that tilt stable. It acts like a gravitational anchor, stopping Earth from wobbling around like a spinning top that's losing balance. With a second moon, that stability gets complicated very fast. Depending on the size and orbit of the second moon, Earth could start wobbling unpredictably. Scientists calculate the tilt could swing anywhere from near zero to over 50 degrees. At zero tilt, no seasons, ever. The poles stay frozen forever. The tropics stay burning forever. And most of the planet becomes a lifeless desert. At 50 degrees, summers would be scorching enough to boil rivers. Winters would be cold enough to freeze entire continents. The planet would be almost completely uninhabitable for anything complex. Maybe bacteria survives. Maybe some microbes clinging to existence in the narrowest bands of stability. But mammals? Dinosaurs? Us? Almost certainly not. So here's where we land.
2 moons sounds like a dream. And honestly, on those nights when both are full, hanging in the sky together, it would be the most beautiful thing any human eyes ever witnessed. But underneath that beauty, violent oceans, an unstable planet, and a world that probably never developed the conditions for us to exist. We got lucky. 1 moon. Right size, right distance, right orbit. It feels ordinary. It feels like nothing. But that one single ordinary moon sitting up there tonight, it might be one of the main reasons you're alive right now, watching this.
If this made you think, or genuinely freaked you out a little, hit that like button. It actually helps more people find this. And if you want more of these, what-if scenarios, space mysteries, things that make you question everything you thought you knew about reality, subscribe. New video dropping soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next one.